Grub Vacations, and now it's time to come fly with Amy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amy and I'm a professional traveler as well as a travel agent, and I live in the Central Florida, Orlando area. And in today's vlog, I am doing a staycation at the Lake Nona Wave Hotel. Yes, the Wave. If you've ever come into Orlando, if you've ever flown into Orlando, you'll notice a building that literally looks like a wave. That's this hotel. And this hotel is actually very cool, very swanky, very modern, very vibey. So you'll get to see a little bit of that throughout our stay. But in the room I'm about to tour you around, we are staying in a 1 king balcony room. This room is actually accessible, so you'll get to see that aspect. But this room is beautiful. We have the coolest view, so I'm so pumped to turn y'all around and show you what that looks like. All right, moving into the room tour. So we are in room 1028 for reference. The first thing you'll notice when you walk in here is floor to ceiling windows all over. I'll show you a couple more as we're going throughout. Here is our bathroom. As I mentioned, it is accessible, so roll in. Loving the colors and the ambiance and just the matched tones and whatnot. The bath products, Voyage it looks like. I've never heard this brand, but pumped to use it. In this bathroom, you do have your standard sink, plenty of lighting and whatnot. A little bit of storage underneath with a hair dryer, which is actually a really nice hair dryer. I have one similar at home. And then the toilet is talk worthy. I know, right? So also let's check this out. There's like different lighting in here, like mood lighting, like relax, just put it on like a different tone. So that's kind of cool. But the toilet, back to the toilet. Fancy toilet, are y'all ready for this? It is like a smart toilet. It's kind of like a toilet bidet type of combo. I've seen these before, but you can basically make it like a bidet that it'll, you know, wash your hiney and whatnot for you. So that's actually pretty cool. So pumped to show you that. You can dry your behind, whatever you prefer to do. Here we are going into the rest of the room. So here is the view. Again, talk about windows. The second you walk in here, you do have an espresso machine and 2 waters. And down here, I love, you know you're staying in a nice hotel when you have china in your room. So 10 out of 10 on that. Beverage cooler. Over to this way, we do have a full-length mirror. Love these built-in closets. It just saves on space. You have some robes to use while you're here. Again, just tons of storage if you need it. And on the side here, really cool. First of all, I love the brushed metal, 10 out of 10. You can select how you want your curtains, if you want it to black out, sheers, whatnot. Here is basically your full control panel. I love that it's on the side of the bed, because if you're in bed and you forget to turn it off, you don't have to worry about it. Beautiful king bed, looks so plush. Here you have your large TV. You also have a smart tablet, if you will, and this just kind of, you know, like most smart tablets, it'll just kind of show you a lot of things, do a lot of things in the room. So that's really cool. You can message with the front desk if you need anything. So love that. Storage down here. We do have an end table if we choose to eat something. Accent chair. Again, really nice that both sides have the panels. And then you have your phone and a little bit more storage. And then let's check out the balcony. Again, love the loud carpet too. Okay, and here is our balcony. We do have 2 patio chairs. And this is our view. Take a look at this. We are right by MCO, so let me zoom y'all in here. So right there, MCO, you can see the tower. We can see airplanes coming and going, how fun. Downtown Orlando is right behind that. You can then also see, let me see where all the hotels. You can see Icon Park. It's a little bit hard to see it in this lighting, but I can see it with my naked eye. But talk about an amazing view. Let's take a look at the public areas of the Lake Nona Wave Hotel. One of the best parts of this hotel is that they offer free garage parking. There's also a valet option if you'd prefer that. As you enter the lobby, you'll notice a common theme of modern, swanky vibes. This lobby becomes a great meeting place for the evening with drinks with your friends or whoever you're traveling with. Most evening weekends, there is live entertainment here in the lobby at night. Looking to host your next meeting or event in the Orlando area? The Wave Hotel has a lot of meeting and event space. The lobby bar, also known as the living room, is open during the evening for cocktails and beverages. There are a number of dining options at the Wave Hotel. The first one here is Bacan. This is a fine dining restaurant. We decided not to eat here as some of the pricing was a little bit expensive. Out back of the Wave Hotel, there is a sculpture garden. We found this to be a very interesting and relaxing spot to hang out. There's lots of photo opportunities as well as places to just sit and relax. Now let's head back inside to the lobby on the second floor, which also leads into other public areas throughout the hotel. Located on the third floor is another restaurant called Haven. Just beyond Haven is the Haven Lounge. Haven is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner daily, but the Haven Lounge is open up for light bites and evening beverages, as well as some entertainment. Open during the day is the hotel's pool. This pool area got really cool during the day, which included a DJ party. Although it was really relaxed, it was very hip and chill. One of the coolest parts of our hotel room was the balcony. We really enjoyed getting to watch the Orlando airport take flight throughout the day. We got to see lots of great arrivals and departures right from the comfort of our balcony. And there was our trip out to the Wave Hotel in Lake Nona. Overall, it was such a great stay. So this hotel is really amazing for a couple different reasons. It's a very gather-friendly hotel, a lot of social spaces built within the lobby and then through the restaurants. So it's really one of those environments where it makes you want to mingle with other people, which is pretty cool. They had tons of programming in terms of like live music, different exhibits going on. So like it was a really, really unique hotel in that respect because there was a ton to do. But then add in the fact that that hotel is walking distance to some pretty cool things in Lake Nona, including Boxy Park, which amazing. If you haven't ever been, be sure to look up Boxy Park. And then there are a couple little restaurants right around the hotel area that were amazing. We went to a couple of them over the weekend and just a short little walk. So definitely a great option if you're looking to get away in Orlando, but you don't necessarily want to be by the theme parks, or if you're just coming for a little bit of a different stay. Hope my video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more fun travel content and videos. If you'd like to book your next vacation, whether it be to Orlando or anywhere else in the world, feel free to reach out to me with the details listed in the description down below, or drop a comment and I will get back in touch with you. And until next time, happy travels. Bye.